Today we're going to learn how to clock into reworks and what the causes mean. So first of all, the reasons to clock into a rework, we've got external reasons. So that's the faulty part has been picked up by the customer or the installer. In this instance, a job line and folder is created and that'll go through the factory, and these job folders will end in RW. Please make sure that these job lines are completed as a high priority. That will help get the customer happy and the installers onto the next job. The other reasons to clock into a rework are internal reasons. So that's mostly the faulty part has been picked up within the factory. A team leader will provide the information required to correct the part and the reason that the part needs to be reworked. These jobs need to be completed with a top priority, as it could be holding up any assembly or dispatch. Let's get into how we clock into reworks. Okay, to clock into a rework, we'll click into our name. Say this is a job that we're on. When we notice a rework, we were edge banding, we would end the job, hit OK, and then start the job over. And back into edge banding. So now we are performing the rework, and then when the rework is done, we'll hit end. We'll go rework complete and the reason. So we were edge banding. What was the reason that we needed to do a rework? Say the part was damaged. And it was actually a defect in the board. That's a more likely thing to expect on the edge banner. Procurement defect, that means the board was defected. And we'll hit OK. And we'll hit OK. And then as we're performing the rest of the job, we would clock back into it. Let's just have a look at a few examples of reworks. So this is a folder that's going into the factory. You can see it's ending in RW. So that means it has been picked up by the customer, which is quite unfortunate. So we can't really tell much from this page, but on the back of it we'll have the department and root cause. So we would click into general assembly damage. And another one is an internal. So caught in the factory, what happened? This program, each banner should be 3 sides, so that's a program error. And we will be providing a card or the proper department and root cause on here as well.